Catway side, and I'm going to show you a really fun activity that you can do during this pandemic. So, what you're going to want to do is once you get to this screen, say we find a stick. You're going to click on the little stick thing, and here's my stick. I'm going to take a picture of it, and then it's right there. And then you basically look for all of them. So it's a little scavenger hunt you can do with your family.
Laura found a large rock.
Ooh, does that whole thing count as a puddle?
I'd say that's more than a puddle. That's a swimming hole. Sand. Nice.
A log, yeah.
That's not a log. She found a fern.
Bunches.
She had to find some sand. Oh, she found sand twice because she found some up there too.
Flowers.
Flowers growing on a rock. That's awesome. All right, this is where we're at right now. You see anything else?
Yes, I just found pine needles.
Pine needles? Nice. Let's see them. Oh, right there. Perfect. So, science question. Pine trees flowering or not? You already knew what I was going to say. You must have a really good science teacher. Oh, wait, isn't he?
It's so
Emmy,
weird.
look. Look what we just found. It's the Onward van.
Is it really?
Yeah. What are we still missing here?
We need
Spiderweb, acorn, squirrel, animal tracks, and a cloud.
We need to. I found a cloud.
Where?
Up there.
We'll take a picture of it.
Okay. Where is it? There.
Did you get it? What'd you find? What'd you find? What is it? A gold nugget.
I'm going up there. Throw it in there.
What is it?
Spiderweb.
Nice. Spiderweb. We only have a few left then.
It kind of looks like a monster. Oh, those look like his eyes. Yeah, that looks like its mouth opening.
It does look like a monster. Too bad Monster's not on our scavenger hunt.
Traveled, and that has made all of the shoes wet.
Oh my word, y'all are so funny. Wow. Look at that little dude. Animal track.
That little thing.
That is, you know what that is? That's probably a deer drinking water. You know how I know? Because your mama said it and she's real smart. Girls, how did we not know there was a waterfall that big out here? We've come to Wildcat Wayside several times and have never seen
What?
it. Right?
What?
What in the actual world?
Hundreds of times and we haven't even seen it?
Oh my stars. Praise the Maker. We did not stop earlier. Nice, that's the last thing we needed. Yeah. All right, take a picture of it and it's official.
Can you click the button?
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We finished our scavenger hunt.